Welcome back, dear students. Today I have made this video to make the time management of your English paper. Okay, I am sure this video will be very useful to you to make the proper time management. Yes, as you know, my dear, paper is of 40 marks and we have been given 120 minutes, means 2 hours. Now here we are going to make a wonderful time plan of our paper. So surely, if we have a good plan in front of us, surely it helps us to manage our time and there will not be any hurry or worry. Alright, let's start. So dear, first question, paper is of 40 marks. First question, unseen passage, which actually claims 5 marks. Once again I request you, please don't make hurry for the first question, because it is popularly said actually, well begun is half done, and first impression remains, or first impression carries the last impression. If your first question, if you solve it carefully, believe me, the examiner who is going to check your paper, he will be under impression that this child is clever and he checks the paper under that impression. Okay, so please allow it. Actually, I should not say for this first question only, you should solve all the paper carefully, right? Sorry. So, first passage, it's new, the atmosphere is new, ambience is new for you, so it will take some time to adjust with that one. That's why for first question, if you spend 20 minutes, it doesn't matter. Believe me, it doesn't matter, because it will take time to take speed. Atmosphere new, the premises is new, and of course there is actually certain kind of fear or some phobia or maybe restlessness in your mind. So first 5 minutes you will take first 5 minutes to manage with the surrounding. So first question, if it grabs 20 minutes, doesn't matter. I should say, if it grabs 25 minutes also, doesn't matter. Okay, even though we are giving 20 minutes for first question, because it's the first question, we have to write it very carefully. The examiner checks first question very deliberately, properly, because he wants to check the depth of your knowledge. So that's why 20 minutes are allotted for this one. But as you know, how to solve first question? Actually, unseen passage. In that case, in unseen passage, generally students read the passage after that question. But I strongly claim that firstly read question and after that passage. If you read the question, you will be habitual. You will come to know the exact theme or pattern of the extract, and once you get the idea, theme of the passage, it will be easy for you to solve the question. So once again I repeat, firstly read questions and after that unseen passage. It's unseen passage. Of course you may come across some unseen words, some difficult word, but believe me, sometimes these difficult words are not inclined to your answer. Sometimes unseen words or difficult words may not trouble you in answer. So don't take tension of unseen words. Let it be, because just carry on, because tension is not a solution. If you take tension of unseen words or any difficult word, you may lose the charm of the passage, right? So most of the cases, I observe that unseen words are nowhere concerned with our answers. Okay, in certain cases. So first unseen passage will take 20 minutes, which is of 5 marks. After 20 minutes, second unseen passage will take somewhat short time, because in the meantime you are habitual for the question paper surrounding. So for second unseen passage, I have given 15 minutes. 5 minutes less. Why? Because already we have given more for the first passage. Now you have taken speed. Now you are habitual for the question paper. Writing skill, which claims 5 marks. Here I have given you 15 minutes. It is standard time management. It does not mean that you should go according to line with this time management. No, I should not say like that. Actually what happened, 5 minutes here and there. Suppose instead of 20 minutes, first passage takes 25 minutes. It's not a matter. It's not really a great matter. For second passage, again take 20 minutes. Okay, because lastly, I have given 20 minutes bonus or extra or buffer. That's why we have 20 minutes in our hand. So here 5-10 minutes, not a great matter. Just I have given some ideal format. So second unseen passage, this solution is the same way as I mentioned in the first one. So second unseen passage, 5 marks, 15 minutes. System same. First read questions, after that passage. And one more thing, while solving the answers for 1 mark, you should write answer according to the question format. If the question is given question is given in does, the answer should be in present tense, simple present tense. If the question is given in did, answer should be past tense. If the question is given in will or shall or any, can, may, any format, in that case you should write according to that question. Right? It should not happen that question is asked in does form and you are writing in past tense form. No, it is not allowed. If the question is given in past tense form and you are writing in present tense form, no, it is not allowed. Please take care of the tense of the question. Okay. After that, as you know, how to write the answers. Please, according to that question, write down the answers. Suppose what according to the writer is the main purpose of education. The answer, according to the writer, the main purpose of education is. According to question, please write down the answer. Suppose there is one question. What does the poet think about today's education? What does the poet think? Sorry. What does the writer think about today's education? Now the question is in this form. You should say the writer thinks that education is like that. So what I mean to say, you should write according to the pattern of question, according to tense pattern of the question. Is it okay? Next one, I should go writing skill. In writing skill, you have wonderful two options: analytical paragraph or late writing. You have the strong option. Wherever you find comfortable. Any question that make you comfortable, surely you will go for that one. Analytic paragraph, format is very clear. Title, introductory paragraph, 5 lines and 10 lines main body. In last video, I gave for a wonderful format of letter writing also. Correct? So you can choose according to your convenience, according to your skill, according to your comfort. It's not a matter. But I strongly recommend that you should begin new question on new page. And especially writing skill later on new page. And especially mention there, question number 3, letter writing. You should tell the examiner that I have selected letter writing. You should mention that analytical paragraph. Okay? And take care of punctuation rules, capital letters, tense, avoid spelling mistake. Alright? And one more thing, take care of main is structure. Right? Structure means indirectly our what I am to say your tenses only. Okay? So please take care of this one. Don't make paper a very scratchy one. Don't scratch. Suppose if you want to cut it, simply single line is sufficient. Don't scratch it with all the dot like that. Okay? Spelling mistakes should be avoided. Take care of punctuation rules, and tense should be strictly followed. Use proper tense. Is it okay? Next. Sorry. After that, you are coming for grammar. There is wonderful question of correct, incorrect, editing the passage. Okay? So write down properly, make a box to it, keep one line space, make 2 columns, one is incorrect, one is correct, what it may be according to sequence. And mostly in this case, there is error in article, preposition, tenses, spelling mostly I don't think so. Okay? So most of the errors belong to what I am to say your preposition, article, tense, etc. Okay? Sometimes models also, will, shall, etc. Okay? Next. Sorry. After that, there will be reported speech. 3 plus 2. Report speech will appear for 2 marks, and 3 marks are for your what I am to say editing the passage or incorrect or correct. Okay, so please go through all the rules of reported speech or indirect speech. That's for 2 marks. After that, short answer. So for that writing skill, I have given 15 minutes, means I have allotted, and after that for grammar, I have allotted 10 minutes again. My dear, here your 1 hour is finished. Ideal 1 hour is finished. Paper is of 2 hours. 1 hour is finished. 20, 15, 15, 10 means 35, 30, 50 and 60. 1 hour finished. Once again, I request you 10 minutes here and there. It's not a matter. It does not mean that you should go exactly like that. No, it is an ideal format. Okay. Next one, short answer. Next is short answer. Short answer, 6 questions you have to write, carries 2 marks into 12 marks. I have given 25 minutes for it. Means I have allotted 25 minutes for it. Suppose 6 into 4, 5 minutes also you can give that one. For each question, if you just what I'm saying consume 4 minutes, more than enough. In that case also, take care of tenses, because mostly poem questions are in present tense and other related questions are in past tense. So do, does, did, they are the 3 formats of any question. Does means you should apply yes form in answer. Did means you should use simple past tense, and do means again simple present tense. Okay, so please respect the tense of the question. So here 12 marks, 25 minutes. Even though if you have taken 30 minutes also, it's not a matter. Okay, but write properly. Write in a proper sequence. Avoid spelling mistake. Once again, I repeat. Don't use scratching. Yes, because scratching will spoil the beauty of the paper. Okay. Next one, long answer. 3 questions out of 3. 2 will be written. You have tried 2. Here, if you ask about length, 4 to 5 lines are sufficient for 2 marks, and for 4 marks, you should write 8 to 10 lines. Okay. Sometimes they ask philosophical question. So you have to relate philosophical question with the incident of the literature, means our chapter. Okay, write down properly. Content should be yours. In unseen text also, don't use what I'm saying line to line answer from in that one. You should use your own language. Yes, it will be very beneficial. Is it okay? And here also, write down with proper thinking. Just don't write out idly. Write down with proper thinking. So here, 8 marks. I have allotted 15 marks. If you count all these minutes, there are 100 minutes. How many? 100 minutes for 40 marks. Even though 120 minutes, out of 120, 100 minutes are consumed, means still your 20 minutes in hand. Is remaining 20, 10, 15, whatever minutes are remain with you. You will go through all the paper, highlight the main ideas with pencil, and the paper will be wonderful. At any cost, presentation plays a great role, because the examiner likes presentation, clarity, presentation. Believe me, it will invite good marks. They will invite very good marks. So your paper should be very clean. Your paper should be full of good presentation. Except that presentation will invite wonderful marks for you. Okay, so please take care of all these instructions that I told you. And this is once again, I have given ideal paper management plan. It does not mean that you should go minute wise, second wise according to my plan. No, 20 minutes are buffers or maybe bonus. So there should be flexibility in 5 to 10 minutes. It's not a matter. But even though if we have a good plan in front of us, we can write with good rhythm. That's why I made this video. Okay, I'm sure this video will be very helpful to you to manage your time properly. So with this, best of luck to all of you. I'm sure you will come with flying colors, and my wishes are with you. Okay, so I have made this wonderful video for you. Especially I should request you, or it's my request, please, for such good videos I should make for you, please, without miss, subscribe to the channel. That is my small expectation. I am sure you will fulfill my expectation. Okay, thanks a lot, take care, and best of luck.